Sorry about the tan lines. Okay, so today I have an amazing haul to do. Oh my god. Today I got a knock at the door, and I'll say this is the quickest that I've ever received a package, and I am so happy that I received it and it wasn't lost in the mail. Like, I usually don't have problems with this company with shipping, but I'm saying usually it takes a lot longer for me to receive a package. So let me just get into it. If y'all don't know what kind of box this is, cover up my address. I ordered from Jeffree Star. What? Yes. Let's just get into it. This is what comes in the box, and let's just look at this beautiful picture. Like, Jeffree Star is everything. Like, I'm so addicted. Amazing. Anywho, so this is the palette. I have not opened it, so let's just pop it open. I figured like unboxing videos are fun. Everybody loves to watch, like, it's like Christmas, every unboxing video. And I can also, let me say, appreciate that it was bubble wrapped all nice. Like, that's very professional. Very nice. And this is just what the outer box looks like. It's like wood, and then it has the star, the iconic star, and then it has blue blood. And I believe these are cruelty free as well. Oh my god, that's so pretty. Like, look at that. It's like a coffin. This is like a dream come true. I might actually cry. A bitch is shook. Okay, this is what the frickin' palette looks like. I'm dying right now. I'm deceased because this shit, like, I can fuck with this. And then to open it, you just boop, pop it open like that. Oh, I might cry. It doesn't smell makeup-y or overpowering. I'm gonna try and cover this big ass mirror. It's so pretty. Like, look at those colors. Those colors are really good for brown eyes too. Like, blues really make brown eyes pop. Since I was cursed with brown eyes, not saying they're not beautiful, but like, let me just move this up so you can see. That's so pretty. Oop. Almost chopped my finger off. That is so cute. Like, hands down, Jeffree Star packaging is like the best. Like, all of his palettes are so beautiful and so unique. They're not like every other generic package. Like, you definitely pay for the quality. I'm so excited about this palette. I'm dying. And then I got something else. I'm trying to get more comfortable to outrageous colors and stuff, and I had to. Like, I didn't think I was going to, but let's see. Open it up right there. It's upside down. And I got the mini set Blue Blood. It's huge. I have the nudes palette of this, and it's like, that's so pretty. Like, look at all of those colors. It comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 mini liquid velour lipsticks. So beautiful. Like, I'm dying for this packaging too. Like, that couldn't be any more perfect, and it's nice and sturdy. Like, I would personally, I know people wouldn't, they just take the lipstick out of the thing, but I would definitely travel with these cases. Like, they stay nice in there. Like, they pop out easy, but they also just pop right back in, and it's perfect. You won't have lipsticks flying around everywhere or anything. Just a thought, a good idea. But I definitely am so freaking happy that I got these. Like, yay. Now I can do tutorials. I still need to do the blood sugar palette tutorial, a makeup tutorial for that. And then I'll do a makeup tutorial for this, and the other nudes palette. Like, I need to do makeup tutorials for the Alien palette and try out his brushes, because everyone's been saying that they're like fucking bomb. They're sick. So that makes me super duper excited to try those out. So thank you very much for watching my unboxing video of my Jeffree Star Blue Blood collection. It was very exciting for me to receive these, and I'm just gonna end it with that. Like, subscribe. I'll definitely be doing a comeback on my videos a lot sooner, because school is about to finish for me, and then I'm taking a little break. I'm also moving, so I think that I have some vlogs to go along with that. Thank you for watching. Thank you for all my supporters, and come back soon and see a new video. Bye.